At first glance, a glove looks like it's just there to protect you, but when it shows up in a dream, it usually carries a much deeper meaning. Is it about keeping your distance, protecting yourself, or hiding what you feel? How the glove looks, what condition it's in, and what you're doing with it can completely change the message your subconscious is sending. Now, let's figure out what this quiet symbol is trying to tell you. Dreaming about gloves is often tied to personal boundaries, safety, and a sense of control. A glove can represent wanting to handle something without touching it directly, keeping things at a certain distance while still staying in charge. Sometimes that points to being cautious around someone, and other times it shows you're trying to protect yourself. Seeing gloves in a dream may suggest you're entering a phase where you need to be more careful. It can also mean you'd rather observe things in a safe way instead of feeling them head on. In an emotional sense, gloves can symbolize creating distance or putting up a defensive wall. The type of glove you see can completely shift the meaning. Work gloves often symbolize responsibility, effort, and hard work, and they can suggest you need to put more energy into finishing something. Winter gloves may point to a time when you feel emotionally cold or distant. Leather gloves are usually connected to power, control, and confidence, and they can reflect a desire to make stronger, more solid decisions. Medical gloves are often linked with cleanliness, boundaries, or hygiene, and they may represent wanting to keep a healthy distance from certain people. Color matters a lot here too. White gloves often symbolize innocence, honesty, and pure intentions, so seeing them can reflect inner cleansing or decisions made with good motives. Black gloves can suggest privacy, a strong stance, or sometimes a need for control. Red gloves are tied to passion and energy, and they can signal that you're about to take a bold, determined approach in a situation. Blue gloves point to calm, balance, and emotional control, while yellow gloves tend to carry a be careful kind of warning. Maybe you're pulling back from something without fully realizing it. Putting gloves on in a dream often shows that you're preparing for something and trying to protect yourself. It can be a sign that you're approaching a new situation in a strategic way. Taking gloves off, on the other hand, can symbolize dropping your defenses, tearing down walls, and becoming more emotionally open. If you feel relieved while taking them off, it may mean pressure is easing and you're moving into a lighter phase. But if taking them off feels uncomfortable, you might be facing uncertainty or dealing with a loss of security. Dirty or torn gloves usually point to damaged trust. This kind of dream can suggest that old disappointments are still affecting you. Maybe you trusted someone and ended up feeling let down. Old gloves can represent habits from the past or behaviors that no longer serve you. Worn-out gloves may be a reminder that you're spending your energy in the wrong places. Overall, these symbols often hint that it's time for renewal and change. Seeing new gloves can mean you're open to fresh starts. Clean or shiny gloves often signal a period where you feel stronger, both emotionally and in your day-to-day life. These dreams are usually tied to being prepared, moving with a plan, and acting professionally. You may be realizing it's time to handle certain things more carefully. A new glove in your dream can also point to an opportunity that's getting close. If you see someone else wearing gloves, it can suggest emotional or communication distance between you and that person. Maybe they aren't fully opening up, or maybe you're not able to read them clearly. If it's someone you know, the dream may be reminding you to be cautious in that relationship. If it's a stranger wearing gloves, a new person may be entering your life, but building trust with them could take time. Losing a glove in a dream can symbolize fear of losing control. Finding a glove can mean rebuilding trust or getting another chance at an opportunity you thought you missed. Buying gloves can reflect a decision to improve yourself or act more professionally in a certain area. If you give someone gloves as a gift, it can show you feel supportive of them or that you trust them. Losing just one glove often points to imbalance or a sense that something is missing. Psychologically, a glove can act like emotional armor. Sometimes people create an invisible shield to avoid getting hurt. Dreaming of wearing gloves can represent that protective instinct. But if it goes on too long, it might make it harder to connect with others. Taking the gloves off can mean lowering those defenses and letting people in. In that sense, this dream can be a symbol of emotional courage. Your subconscious may be telling you that you're ready for more direct, genuine connections. In the end, dreaming of gloves usually brings up themes of caution, boundaries, and trust. The details in your dream can show where you're keeping your distance and where you might need to be more open. If you're honest with yourself about what's going on in your life, it becomes much easier to understand the message behind this symbol and find emotional balance. If you're into dreams like this, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more dream breakdowns.